Assalam-o-Alaikum friends, my YouTube channel friends, how have to be guys? Hope so you also fine guys. In this video I am introducing beautiful style ideas, new and amazing collection ideas, where I am introducing beautiful pebble design ideas, where I am introducing. Kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel and you can gain new and word style collection ideas, where I am introducing with you elegant pebble art design ideas, where I am introducing. Hopefully friends you will enjoying its beautiful style ideas, where I am introducing, and you can gain new and word style elegant ideas, where I am introducing. I hope so friends you will enjoying these beautiful styles. Subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying these beautiful ideas, where I am introducing with you, and you can like the beautiful ideas. I hope so friends you will enjoying these beautiful styles which looking so awesome and new gorgeous style ideas, where I am introducing. Hopefully friends you like my ideas that are completely different to each other, new and elevated ideas, where I am sharing. Hopefully guys you like this video and you inject different ideas, new styles and elegant ideas, where I am sharing with you. That's great and a stunning design, where I am sharing with you. I hope so friends you like these beautiful styles of paper art ideas, where I am sharing with you. You can enjoying these beautiful styles and elegant paper style ideas, where I am introducing these beautiful styles, where I am introducing with you. Hopefully guys this great and super style ideas, where I am introducing. Hope so guys you will like this beautiful video and you can gain new and different style ideas. You will like it's beautiful amazing collection ideas, where I am introducing with you, and you can enjoying the beautiful styles, where looking so beautiful and so awesome ideas that's looking such a great and new word style elegant designs ideas I am introducing with you. Kindly friends subscribe my YouTube channel and you can enjoying the beautiful styles, elegant rock painting, new pebble art. You are my sunshine and the great sunshining design ideas, where I am sharing the beautiful styles, elegant ideas in this video I am sharing. Hopefully you will like this beautiful pebble art ideas that I am introducing with you. You can enjoy the great beautiful new words